In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart to product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. We'll set up a flexible per-product size chart using meta fields, then display it on your product pages and give it a bit of styling so it looks clean. This is a great approach for stores where different products have different sizing information. Start by creating a meta field definition. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Custom Data, and select Products. Click Add Definition. Give it a clear name like Size Chart and set the namespace and key to something memorable, such as custom.sizechart. For the type, choose File if you plan to upload an image of your chart, or rich text, or HTML if you prefer to paste a table. Pick the format you'll use most consistently across your catalog, and then save. Make a note of the exact namespace and key, because you'll reference them in your theme code. Next, assign the meta field value to your products. Open any product in the admin, scroll down to the meta field section at the bottom, and you'll see your new size chart field. Upload your chart image if you chose the file type, or paste the rich text or HTML table if that's the format you set. Save the product. It's a good idea to start with one product to test, then come back and fill out the rest once everything is working. Now let's display the meta field on the product page. Go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Edit Code. Open sections main.product.liquid or whichever section controls your product information. You can either add a custom liquid block from the theme editor or edit the file directly. Insert a conditional snippet that checks whether your meta field has a value. For an image type meta field, you'll output a div with a class like SizeChart and an image that uses the file URL filter. Make sure the namespace and key in your code match what you created earlier, for example, custom.size/chart. If you used rich text or HTML instead of a file, output the meta field content directly rather than using file URL. Finally, add a little CSS to style the size chart. Target the .SizeChart class to control spacing and responsiveness. For example, you might add some margin above the chart and limit its max width so it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Save your changes and preview a product. If a product doesn't have a size chart, the conditional check will keep the section hidden, so your layout stays tidy. That's it. Your Dawn theme now supports per-product size charts with a clean, scalable setup.